You'll want to take one of these courses with hands-on exercises to become proficient at running your MTS software and test system. As part of the training, you will be remotely linked to an MTS computer running the actual software, simulating actuator response. You will interact with the software just as you would in your lab, and the MTS instructor will help you with test design in real time. Here's an example of a hands-on exercise. You will see the main station manager window, reset the interlock detector, and turn the HSM oil pressure from off to high. Then we can run a sine wave through the function generator and see actuator response on the scope and discuss its adjustment. For Test Suite, we will enter an actuator command and run the test. Later, we will practice more complexities such as creating variables. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you in one of our classes soon.